regarding this whole business about topping up. But Annette of St. Andrew made a good point that you have to do both. You should top up and you should use the phone, if it's even for a minute, at least once a month, to make a call. So that's interesting. All right. I'm back to the lines now. So let's see what I should do. I should go here, I think. 9268631 and say hello, morning, and welcome to the hotline. Morning.
Morning, Sir Salman. How are you?
Good, man. What's up?
I'm not bad at all, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if me know they not take. Well, not too bad.
Come, you're breaking up a little. I didn't hear that point.
You hear me? You hear me now?
Yes.
I work in the distribution trade, so my department, we don't get a salary increase, because whenever there's a price increase, we get an automatic salary increase. So you don't. All the other people will get them annual increase. We don't get that. So if price not increase for 10 years, we don't get a salary increase. Where I'm going with this? I don't know what the government, they have this whole heap of headache and I put people in a problem because they don't know what to do about the gas price. If the price of the gas go up, they are collecting tax on it. So they are collecting more tax. Use the increased tax where they collect after the price increase. They offset whatever our cushion, whatever blow there is to come. It's a simple thing.
Yeah, I'm not so sure if it's that simple, you know, because that manipulation of the tax band and the taxes may not be as easy as you suggest to then say, all right, let me give a credit to people who, you know, who buy gas or take it off the gas price. How it would work?
No, but they should, if they are collecting more taxes, just whatever increase, however, between them and Petrojam, you use the excess tax and pass it over to Petrojam.
No, but there's no such thing as excess tax. You know, the fact that you are buying more gas or the gas is costing more means more for the government coffers in terms of taxes. They don't regard that as excess tax.
There's more taxes, sir. So what I'm saying, we had to go move cap now, we had to go this, we had to do that. There's no need for it because you are collecting more tax.
Yeah,
that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I don't think it works like that, though, comrade.
But then why?
You would either have to remove the tax completely from the purchase price of the gas.
That is not difficult either.
No, it's not difficult, but it's not right. The government is in no position to start removing tax revenue, given that one, they're having to borrow from the NHT, plus they have the issue with the increase in prices in gases and so on. I don't think they're in a position to be able to say, let me give back $11 billion in revenue. I don't think they can do it, you know.
When there is a when we are close to election, them talk about them give back what you call it, cash back to people who they earn below.
Right, some one-off thing, but
and they give them a one-off and they 20, but they add up everything in billions, so they can do what they're supposed. If you are collecting, there's no need for this. However, the economics work and the gymnastics and however they want to spin it. If you are collecting more, the price increase, it therefore means it is more revenue for the government. No care how you try to spin it, it is more revenue.
Yes.
So what I'm saying, and I don't see the panic when we were there, I think the gas went up to $180 at one point per barrel or $200 per barrel. And Peter Phillips and Mark Golding, we dealt with it, so if they want some help.
They put in the hedge fund. But here's what I don't understand from the citizenry.
Yes, sir.
Prior to the war with Iran, US, and Israel,
yes, sir,
the price of gas in Jamaica, 1 week it go up by $4.50 a litre, next week it come down by $4.50. Then it go up by $4, and nobody responds. Nobody says, oh my Lord, it's just gone up by another $4.50. What happened to the regular fluctuation in price as it relates to petrol in this country?
Sir, the people, you're right, the citizens don't pay attention, and because they don't pay much attention, the government know, so they can take some people for either. So that is why they come and this big hoo-ha over gas price. It's just $100. They have a between 110. A bit based on Trump manipulating and $190. And I'm saying we remember when the gas was $180 a barrel, $200 barrel. When we rise power and we manage it, we are way away from $180 and $200 per barrel for gas. And I'm saying I go again, if the government is collecting more, if the gas increase, it is more revenue for them. And I'm not stupid. So if they don't know, if they can't manage it, if you know when everything is good and everything is good, and they bring them tea like we not put butter and then not leave, and leave the thing they blow out of proportion. You understand? And they can it's a PR thing to make it look like them are do something and they know what they are doing.
Okay.
It's increase for them more revenue for you, man, and more tax for you.
Yeah. Well,
the thing, we're not stupid. We are PNP.
More revenues. The other thing is, the discussion the other day is about, which I maintain that I think the minister spoke out of turn, because I don't think cabinet, I'm seeing a news report today, I don't think cabinet is particularly enamored with the idea of COVID type restriction of movements as was described by Minister Vaz.
That's a nonsense.
Yeah. The fact of the matter is, though, if more of us work from home, it's a catch-22. Say more of us work from home, we don't use our vehicles as much. That means less revenue. You understand? So it's catch-22. Everywhere you go, make a joke you.
And guess what? You know about up there, but we can't work from home because we have proper self-service.
Correct. And then I was just about to say now, so, if people are complaining about the service that they're getting from the telecoms, then how you work from home? And he's the telecom minister as well, and I do nothing about it. Many things saying can't throw people in a panic to make it like them do something. And before you leave, yes.
I don't know if what I missed last night, and when I spoke to Emily Thursday, I think it was Thursday. So Thursday night, Friday night, Saturday night, and last night, because them are call here and the trading thing and can discredit me. So ask Mr. Gordon if there's a small smoke, little bit of smoke still over that Riverton retirement landfill.
Right.
Because me not be telling Sir Simon, because guess what? You know suit me. And when them talk about it is not there, my two neighbor, them house ring with camera. So anybody want to push the smoke over there night time, me can't get it for them.
Alright, Comrade.
I can't back the government because they can't discredit me, but I don't want to do that.
No.
So when them say, oh, it is a lie and we don't know. And when I ask what is him intend before Emily come off her ear, say, confirm, yes, there's a fire, still a small fire over there.
Okay.
It just suit me do the ring with camera. So anything me want, because for this episode, me go see them I embarrass them. Come on, who them I try for this credit.
Alright,
me not hungry, me not sing for me supper. When me come here, I'm talking for Jamaica, and if it is affecting me, it is affecting me. I don't add on, and I don't take off.
Okay.
Because it don't benefit me.
Alright, my boss. You take care. Sir. Yeah, man, you too. 7615, let me squeeze in another call. Hello, morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir.
Listen, what is the role of government, Simon? Tell me the role of government.
Well, the role of government is to serve its citizens, to keep them safe, to protect them, to create environment for their prosperity.
Yes.
Yes.
Roads, water.
Well, all of that is included in
all right.
Yeah.
But listen to me now, man. I don't understand this government. They complain about the money where they have to fix road, and them not fix none. Them on do cut ribbon.
No, man, to say they're not fixing any roads would not be entirely true. Maybe they're not fixing them fast enough or the amount enough, but to say they're not fixing any wouldn't be true.
But Simon, them going around like, come on, the command told them. I saw them go around.
No, what you should be talking about, Reno, I didn't get your name, by the way, but what we should be talking about is the quality of the repairs.
Thank you.
Right in front of me, and I can only speak about the areas that I travel, but I'm sure it applies right across the country.
Right
road patch, literally, 2 months ago, and the potholes have come right back to where they were.
All right, Simon.
So, somebody is getting a lot of food and not doing the proper work.
And them not supervise them. Them just give them, say, use the contractor.
Yes.
Do you want to man to do? Collect taxpayer money. Simon, they not paying no land tax this year. They not paying none.
You have to pay because they will come to your yard. They will come to your house.
Make them come. Because here, me know so when time we pay taxes, the taxes have to do all of those things.
Yes.
But the man them not use the money to do it, Simon. All them do is buy high-end vehicle and all them sitting there and drive past the road and walk.
Well, you see a lot of them, once they get into positions of influence and power, they don't even see the road them drive on anymore.
All right. Even the sidewalk, Simon, full of pothole. Things that this not can't go on, Simon. The sidewalk where blind people or ordinary people walk.
Oh, that they mother talk about that. I mean, you know.
Jesus Christ.
Well, it's him going to have to come help because even the sidewalks, as you say.
Yes.
Even if you look outside the Jamaica School for the Blind, you know, they better don't walk on the sidewalk there, you know. Right outside the school.
Yes.
So
them don't care.
It hurt your heart. I tell people all the while I love Jamaica, but Jamaica sometimes don't love me back.
That's true, man. Me say me not paying on taxes, but not for me yard.
All right, my boss.
No, if you don't land tax, but not for me yard.
I have to leave it there, but I think that might get you in trouble, so maybe that might not be the right move.
You come bear me.
All right.
All right.
Take care. All right. Cool.